So you are about to do your titration and the instructions say add 2 drops of the indicator. But wait, did you ever stand and ask, why do I even need to add this 2 drops? Why am I putting 2 drops of indicator? What is this indicator doing? Now, that is where the problem lies. Because in chemistry, you need to understand why and how so that you can know how to do so that you can also come up with new methods. You understand? Now, let us quickly break it down in this video. The instructions say add 2 drops of indicator. Now, look at this. Acid and base, they have almost the same color. I mean, colorless. Now, by the time you start doing your titration, you start adding it, you cannot tell when the titration experiment is complete because you just continue to over add acid and then you will not see any change. But by the time you add this indicators, they are dye, organic compound to be precise, which respond to the pH of the environment where you put them. So when the titration reaction is complete, the indicator will change color based on the pH of the environment. For example, now let's say you are titrating strong acid against weak base. So now, of course, you will form salt and water. Now the salt that will be formed is most likely an acidic salt. The moment you add an indicator, and then once the reaction is complete, a new pH indicating an acidic salt has been formed will occur in the system. And of course, this indicator will respond to that pH. So anytime you are told to add indicator, 2 drops of indicator, we are basically trying to let you know that if you did not add this, you cannot tell when the titration experiment is complete until you add the indicator and it changes color. Once you notice the color change, there is a color change. Exactly. That is when your titration, your neutralization is complete. Now, share this video with your friends so that they can also understand this. This is how you should be thinking in chemistry, and chemistry will start making sense. I hope so you learned something today. Now, give this video a like, comment your area of difficulty, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.